got places to be. If I'm a player, then say all your prayers. It's gonna shoot right through your heart. The impact will be strong, so you better hold on. Watch out for me. But if you want it more, we can do it in slow-mo. If you want it more, we can slow-mo. If you want more, we can do it in slow-mo. In slow-mo. I'm moving in rhythm with life. I leave it, I ride it or die. If you wanna wait, it's okay, but I also can change in a blink overnight. I need a man who can keep up with my pace. We can have a little race, so speed up that KTM. If I'm a player, then say all your prayers. It's gonna shoot right through your heart. The impact will be strong, so you better hold on. Watch out for me. But if you want it more, so if you want more, can we do it in slow-mo?
Give me an unstoppable night. Babe, let's get high, 'cause where I'm from could be wild. Give me an unstoppable night. Right here I'm mine, that's why I'm still alive. more than you know. So down, you with me now. Show how you want me. You caught the present and you lost, fell in love. Don't stop to go. Give me non-stoppable love. Babe, let's get high, 'cause we're born to be wild. Give me non-stoppable night. Babe, you're mine, that's why I'm still alive. We're sitting in the hall, get us to the home. Yeah, ass is on the wall all night. You don't know that wherever it goes, I'll never become the man about to go. What's my soul? Eternal life. Show your child you lost most long, more this long. Babe, you're so shine, shine, shine on the moon. Show me this long night, how you want me. Give me non-stoppable love. Babe, let's get high, 'cause we're born to be wild. Give me non-stoppable night. Babe, you're mine, that's why I'm still alive.
If I'm a player, then say all your prayers. Sky to a shoot right through your heart. The impact will be strong, so you better hold on. Watch out for me. But if you want it more, we can do it in slow-mo. If you want it more, we can slow-mo. If you want more, if you want more, we can do it in slow-mo. In slow-mo. I'm moving in rhythm with life. I leave it, I ride it or die. If you wanna wait, it's okay, but I also can change in a blink overnight. Need a man who can keep up with my pace. We can have a little race, so speed up that KTM. If I'm a player, then say all your prayers. Sky to a shoot right through your heart. The impact will be strong, so you better hold on. Watch out for me. But if you want it more, so if you want more, can we do it
in slow-mo.